Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. It's Saturday, and I didn't get a chance to do FPV Friday, so I'm on Saturday trying to do some FPV. And this thing here is my Junior Racer 75. The frame finally broke. I guess all of those little mods I did to it did make the frame a little more weak, and so it cracked on the side there, and so I swapped it into a 75X frame. And one thing to note, this front mount on the canopy there isn't the normal size. That Junior Racer frame has two mounts up front, so you can fit either canopy, but this canopy is the irregular size up front, so you can only mount it from the sides, and there's no mount in the rear. And so had to do just side mounts on it, but it seems pretty stable though. I've been flying it, no wobble or jello in the cam and nothing like that. And so this is the first time I'm going to fly it outdoors though. I just did hover tests indoors and checked out the FPV. I've been through a lot with this little thing. I actually added a buzzer, but the buzzer pad ended up peeling off and so no more buzzer now. And I've been trying to remap this thing using the resource remapping feature in Betaflight to no avail. Still wasn't able to get this thing with the buzzer working or whatnot, swapping it to different pads and everything. But I ended up happy still with it like this, because something happened and all of the settings and everything got wiped out, and so I put new settings and everything in it. So I'm out here to fly it for the first time, maiden flight in this frame. So let's get it. Okay, so I got my little LDARC 3S pack on it. You can see I zip tied the antennas for the receiver to the sides there. And so let's get this thing plugged up. We're going on 3S, y'all. I didn't even check the OSD and all. Looks like everything's okay. Wish I had the add-on to show you guys the punch. Punch is nice on it. We're down at 3.5 volts already. It's a little cold out here. I don't want this thing to fall on me out here. Right now, y'all. So test flight with this guy, everything seems to be working fine. Happy with it like this. I think it's might fly a little better with this frame because it's a little lighter. I don't have the official weight for it and all. Let me unplug it. Save my battery here. I don't know the official weight of it and all. I'm gonna weigh it later and let you guys know. But it seems like an awesome little flyer still. Junior Racer in a 75X frame. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Thanks for watching.